Imasela ijeleke khulu ebantwaneni erhatsheka ngomoya ngamathe kanti umntwana ingamngena nalokhu umma sebantwini. Izehlakalo ezihlanu ezibikwe kokuthoma zobulwelwe lobu ngezibikwe ngosinye ekhaba. Nanyana zingakandi kangaka izehlakalo zabantwana abatheleleke ngobulwelwe lobu kodwa nomhlahlandlela weziko lamalwele athathelanako uveza lembike khona ngobulwelwe lobu njengokuthi bufikile. Izehlakalo zokuthoma zibike emazikweni wezepilo wePhalaborwa kanti ngokukhulamungu bezizihlanu phela izehlakalo ezibikiweko. Umnyango wezepilo uqinisa ijima lawo lokujova abantwana. Ababelethi bayeleliswa bona bayokuhlabisela abantwana emasela ukuthi bazokuvikeleka.
When you look at the population of 100,000 and you can have cases which are 2 or more in a space of less than 14 days, then it is an outbreak. We're not going to wait, unlike other novel virus, as we're moving towards the eradication of measles by 2030. That's when we have some of this definition of an outbreak. When I look at our vaccination program that is shown to have worked, we can confirm that yes, all those cases, none of them we can trace them to be having an evidence of having been vaccinated. They've not received any vaccine through their entire life, those particular children.
Uramathuba uthi umnyango wakhe uhlaba abantwana abangaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezine abaneminyaka ephakathi kwesithandathu kuya kweli-15 ubudala. Uthi babeke ilihlo libukhali ebujameni bezinto solokhuphuka isibalo sabantwana abanemasela kanti nabantu abadala abajidelene nabantwana abanemasele nabo bahlatshiwe.